What if I tell you you can grow a new snake plant from just one leaf? In this video, I am going to show you the complete process, so don't skip the video because the last part is the most important. Hello everyone, this method is very easy and you can try it at home with just a few simple steps. First, we knew a healthy snake plant leaf. Choose a leaf that is firm, healthy and free from damage. Now I am cutting the leaf into small pieces. You can make the cutting around 3 to 4 inches long. Now let's talk about the most important part, the soil. Snake plants needs a light and oil draining soil mix. The main goal is to make sure that extra water can drain out quickly. You can use a cactus or succulent soil mix. If you use regular garden soil, mix it with something that improves drains because having water retaining soil can make the cutting root. During this time, don't overwater them. Just keep the soil lightly dry and give them bright indirect light. After around 45 days, you can check the cuttings to see if new roots or new growth has appeared. And look, new shoots have started to grow and the cuttings have also developed new roots. This means the propagation is working. Now I am gently removing the cutting from the soil to check the roots. The new roots look healthy and the new baby plant is growing nicely. It's amazing to see how a simple leaf cutting can grow into a new plant. I hope if you love plants and gardening, then you will love this video. This method is very easy and you can try it at home with just simple steps. Now I am also transferring a snake plant into a new pot. First I am preparing the new pot with fresh soil. Then I am placing the plant in the center of the pot. After that, I am adding more soil around the plant. Gently press the soil around the base. Make sure that the plant is standing straight. Now place the pot in a bright place but avoid harsh direct sunlight at the beginning and do not overwater the cuttings. With patience and proper care, new roots and new growth will start to appear. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you the next video. Bye bye.